Gusto ko lang po sanang mag-unboxing ng aking gift. Ito yung gift ng aking amo. Yan, gift po yan ng aking amo para sa aking birthday last November 23. Pero ngayon ko lang po siya i-unboxing because I want to use it. Gusto ko na siyang gamitin, guys, kasi yung aking headset ay nawala po yung isa, pero bigay din ng mga amo ko yun, kaso hindi ko na siya makita, naiwan ko sa church. So ito bigay ni amo, hindi ko siya ginagamit, so I finally decided to open it and I will try to use it. Actually terno kami ni ma'am, so siguro alam niya na mahilig ako sa pink, so binigay niya sa akin is pink. At yung kay amo ko ginagamit niya is white. So, tingnan ko po ito, no? Let's check. Tingnan natin. And thank you so much sa aking amo for giving me this. Actually, yung mga amo ko, guys, napaka-generous nila. Ayan, tingnan nyo kung ano pa siya. Yan, earbuds pala yung tawag sa kanya. Earbuds. True basic defunct earbuds. Hindi ko alam paano gamitin. Social, no? Hindi mabuksan, guys. This is from New Zealand. Soundwave. Sabi niya, Soundwave. True wireless earbuds designed in Sweden. Galing po sa Sweden. Grabe naman ang aking amo. Truly improve your wireless life. And actually, guys, yung amo ko napaka-giver. Hindi siya madamot. Ayan. Marami na siyang binigay sa akin, pero yung iba hindi ko pa nagagamit. Actually, binigyan niya ako ng camera last time nung birthday ko din. So, pero until now, guys, hindi ko siya masyadong nagagamit. Kasi, meron naman akong cellphone. Parang mas convenient yung cellphone. Kasi, yung binigay niya sa akin camera is Samsung and hindi ko alam gamitin. Tamad ako magbasa-basa. So kapag mag-upload na ako, kailangan ko pang gumamit. Ay ano pala, yung camera is Sony. Sony pala siya, guys. So pag mag-upload ako, I need to use laptop. And it takes time. Pag cellphone, ang bilis lang. Ayan, buksan na siya. Parang ayaw niyang ipagamit ito. Ang hirap buksan. Oh, ayan, tanggal na siya. Ayan. Oh. Ba't ayaw magbukas? Ano ba ang gusto dito? Aray ko. Marulog. Sana marami pa magregalo. Lagi na lang tayo mag-unboxing, guys. Ayun, nabuksan na siya. Ayan. Ayan. Thanks. Ayan, guys. Oh, ganyan pala siya. Okay. So, ayan na, guys. Nabuksan ko na. So, ayan. Ang nakalagay is Defunct. Ano na ba to? So, tanggalin natin. So, this one is empty. Ayan, empty na siya. So, ito tanggalin na natin. Guys, ganun nga. Pink nga siya. Ang liit. Oh. Ang liit naman. What's happening? Ganyan lang pala siya, guys. Ay, ang cute! I like it. Ang ganda-ganda niya, guys. Oh. Hindi ko alam gamitin. How to use this one? Lagot tayo dyan. Oh, yan na, guys. Oh, nag-blink-blink na siya. Oh. Bakit nag-blink-blink? Ayan, oh, nag-blink-blink na, oh. Oh, kakulay pa siya ng aking nail polish. Ayan guys, ganun siya. Oh my gosh. Papakita ko nga to kay ma'am bukas. Kasi hindi ko pa nasabi sa kanya na ano, ma'am, ginagamit ko na, ganun, nakakahiya talaga. Yung amo ko talaga super generous. Look. Huh? Oh, nagbi-blink-blink siya. Ba't siya nagbi-blink-blink? What's happening? So, tanggalin natin itong isa, guys. Oh, nagbi-blink-blink din siya. Oh, look. Napaka-ignorante ko. So, anong meron dito? So, eto, wala na ba? Wala na to, no? Wala na siya. So, ganun lang siya. Ang dulas naman. Ano ito, nabubuksan pa ba to? Pinayata. Wala na. Kasi meron siyang ganun-ganon. Oh, siguro charger niya to. Baka charger niya nga yan. Masaksakan ba to? Wala naman. Ay, oo, charger nga niya, guys. Ito, oh. Baka high-tech naman ng panahon ngayon. My goodness. Ganun. As in. Tapos yun, may nakita ako. Ano yun? What's inside? Oh, yun ang sa charger niya. Ayan. Yan lang pala eh. Yan pala eh. So, ito guys, ang USB. And inside is the ayan, manual. How to use it. So, this one. Ooh. You know guys, I'm really so lazy to read instructions like this. I'm not that good in reading, guys. No, I'm good in reading, but I don't like the idea of always reading. Listening. Oh my goodness. I always love talking. Ay, ganun pala siya, guys. So, yan. So, yan ang kanya. Ano. Ayan. Ay, nako. Magliliit pa. So, that's it. And this one, ito naman siya, dito siya ilalagay. Ay, oh, itong USB, itong maliit, yun ay isasaksak mo diyan. Tapos itong isasaksak sa charger. Oh, diba? Napaka-high-tech naman masyado. Galing-galing naman. Let's try. Okay, I want to try it. Let me try, guys. Ito try ko, hindi ko pa nga nababasa. Oh, this is English and this is different languages, no? So no need this one kasi wala namang English yan. Nandito yung English, guys. So I have to read a little bit, otherwise I don't know what to do. But I can't see anymore. Oh my goodness. All ears around the world deserve good sound. So true. How come this is so tiny? Tiny fonts. How can I read this one? I'm old already. I can't see anymore. Oh, English is page 4. Okay. So in English, it says, this manual is also available on defunct.com. Ayan. And what's included? Defunct True Basic Earbuds, charging case, USB-C charging cable. So it's true. So this is the earbuds and the USB and this one is the manual. Okay, so technical specifications: Bluetooth version 5.0, Bluetooth range 10 meters. Oh no, codec 5BC. I don't know what's this. Earbud 30 mAh. I don't know how to read that one. Power on. Oh, okay. Before you start, make sure the earbuds are fully charged. Oh, do this by charging the earbuds in the charging case. Also plug the USB charging cable into the USB part on the charging case. Plug the other end of the cable into a power source and charge until all LEDs lights on the charging case are stable. Oh, I can hear something. The Bluetooth is talking by herself. Hello? Hello? Hi? Hi, hello, hello, hello. Hello. Oh, how come? Seems like I can hear something. Hi. Hello. Hello. Can't hear. That's why. Power on. There are two ways to turn the earbuds on. Open the charging case and take out the earbuds for auto power on. Press each earbud for 3 seconds until you hear the on sound. The earbuds will also pair with each other when you power on. It's like this. Turn on Bluetooth function on your device. Select Defunct True Basic in the Bluetooth list to pair the earbuds with the device. The earbud lights turn off when the earbuds are paired. The earbuds will automatically pair with a previous connected device when powered on again. Ayan. Pairing earbuds and device. Take out the earbuds from the charging case. The earbuds will automatically power on and pair with each other when blue, red lights flash alternately. The earbuds are ready to pair with your device. Ganun lang pala eh. So first of all, I have to charge it for a while. So for now, I cannot use it yet. Okay, so bye-bye for now, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share my videos.
I can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me piercing through. I can't forget the day we met. Your smile so bright, it made me swoon. Our love is like a summer's day, hot and endless in a magic way. Whenever I see you, all I can think is my summer.